The Chinese government on Monday said it is diversifying its market and looking for other trading partner countries as it grapples with a tariff war with the United States. The General Administration of Customs said the Chinese yuan-denominated exports rose 6.9% year-on-year in the first quarter of this year, while imports contracted by 6.0%. This came after factories rushed out shipments before the latest US tariffs took effect.
今年一季度，我国货物贸易进出口10.3万亿人民币，同比增长了1.3%，其中出口6.13万亿元，增长6.9%，进口4.17万亿元，下降了6%。
当前我国出口确实面临复杂严峻的外部形势，但是呢，天塌不下来。近年来，我国积极构建多元化的市场，深化与各方的产业链、供应链合作，这不仅赋能了对方的发展，也增强了我们自身的韧性。同时呢，中国的内需市场广阔，是重要的大后方，我们将坚定不移地办好自己的事，以自身的确定性应对外部环境的不确定性。
They said China will implement necessary countermeasures against the Trump administration that has indiscriminately imposed tariffs up to 145% on Chinese imports, while promoting economic opening up and cooperation policies. US Secretary of Commerce Howard Lutnick clarified that imports of smartphones, computers, and some other electronics into America were not granted exemptions under its reciprocal tariff announcement on April 2nd.
Remember, those products are going to be part of the semiconductor sectoral tariffs, which are coming. So you're going to see this week, there'll be a register in the Federal Registry, there'll be a notice put out. That is different types of work. So we're going to do that. We did that in autos. The president's going to do it for pharmaceuticals, and he's going to do it for semiconductors. So all those products are going to come under semiconductors, and they're going to have a special focused type of tariff to make sure that those products get reassured. So what he's doing is he's saying they're exempt from the reciprocal tariffs, but they're included in the semiconductor tariffs, which are coming in probably a month or two. So this is not like a permanent sort of exemption. He's just clarifying that these are not available to be negotiated away by countries. These are things that are national security that we need to be made in America.
On his return to Washington on Sunday, US President Donald Trump said his administration will provide updates on the semiconductor and phone tariffs this week.
That's right, but the tariffs will be in place in the not distant future because, as you know, like we did with steel, like we did with automobiles, like we did with aluminum, which are now fully on, we'll be doing that with semiconductors, with chips, and numerous other things. And that'll take place in the very near future.